Good morning everyone. Round ko diri para makabaw yung video. Okay guys, mo ni among place diri guys, round ko kay bugna. Buntag pa man pud guys. Wow. The sun is very nice guys. And dili na init karon. Wow, I love it. Okay guys, video lang ko guys. So this is certain area here guys, Block 2. Street 117. You know. Look at it. Today is early in the morning, Monday. So look at, everybody is not going work yet, so that's why all that cars and every houses are still there. So look at this guys. Pasimple lang po guys ha, pasimple. Oh, look at this guys. I can tell you. 10 minutes akong guys. Oh, ano yung mga view din guys. Muraund lang ko guys. Ito na kung pila yung maabot 10 minutes mag-round. Abot kini wala na ilang sakyanan, so nanarbaho na sayo mangudang uban guys, sayo kaya manarbaho ang uban. So guys, oh kana masjid na diha guys, masjid. So okay, the sun is there guys. Okay, oh nya ako siyam iya bagtas lang ko guys. No, pasimple lang ko kasi basig kasabaan ko ba. Oh look there guys, that is small supermarket there. Okay, there is the small supermarket, and here, see guys, the great here is very clean. Oh, look guys, balikan ako mo. I hope mag 10 minutes akong baktas. This is supermarket here. So, pasimple lang ko guys, kaya kasi ko sa banta ba. Okay, so ayan. Good morning. Sa ko guys sakay. Naigagawas ng Kuwaiti ba kasi kasabanta. Oh. Dates guys, dates guys, dates. Okay. Okay God. Here this street look guys. It's very nice guys. Look. Nice, okay. I hope mag 10 minutes akong bagtas guys. Kasi na driver naglimpyo sa sakyanan guys. Ay. I hope 10 minutes akong bagtas guys. Nalipay na lang ko yun driver. Luto-luto. Limpi-limpi siya. Ayan. Ito guys. Oh. Ayan. Oh, look at that guy. 10 minutes akong baktas. Pila na? Three minutes pa. Wala. Siya. Sarap ko guys, 3 minutes pa. Look at that guys. Look, maglakad-lakad lang ko guys. Okay. Morning guys. Pero halos yun ani guys. Not unless dito sa Kaitan, kailangan ilang old naman go dito. So din guys, so nice kaya mong area, pero biyaan na naman ni guys, maybe after 5 months. I think 5 months because dili pa man daw complete. Ato na mi sa city na among area guys. Okay, so magbaktas patagan. Gawa pa mangyod. There's another corner here, another street. So may guys, tama ni guys. Hindi ako nilimot to guys, kaya wala pa 3 minutes pa. Diyos ko, kadugay ba di ay guys. Muna lang mga balay din guys. Sakinan pa mo guys, nangalata ambot naghanggang gabing sakinan. Nag-driver naglimpas lang sakinan hindi na guys. Nice sa buntag magbaktas na kong buntag. Sige na lingkod. Hindi akong tubig. Wala pa ba ako nag-sunblock guys. Wala pa ako nag-wear og sunblock because it is early. Tulog pa man akong amo. So amo itong may balaan pa ko nila kaya gising na ba si pulis. Gising na si pulis guys. Maka-admit si pulis. But nga nung gising wak pa na magtrabaho Libot na guys Pila na guys 5 minutes pa lang 6 minutes na. Okay, libot na guys, libot. Maligtad lang ni guys. 10 minutes. Ito guys, kaya ba init. Okay guys, this is my place here in Kuwait. And tanaw rago niyo guys, kasi klaseng sakyanan, grabe sila guys, grabe kadaton. Kuwait din hiya garad sa Jamia na ni siya, garad sa Jamia, so anybody can park here. This is the small grocery, small tindahan. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ayan. Naglibot lang ko guys. Kaya mag 10 minutes na ako video. Lakad-lakad lang ko. Nice na siya maglakad early in the morning. So, hindi lang ako ipakita akong naong kay kasi mamataan sa akong amo ba. Putla na may wifi. Mahal ba kayang wifi to? Pila na? 8. Okay. Until I'm home. Until I'll reach home. Then it will be 10 minutes. So early in the morning. Tomorrow I'll be going there. The other side. Okay, this is also video. Right? So 10 minutes video today. I keep on asking my video. The Philippines, but, of course they are busy. They cannot provide me a 10 minutes video. My niece is busy, my daughter is busy, and that's why I'm trying to do this. And here it is. I did. Thank you. I've been here before guys. The first hour, first 2 minutes I think I'm here. I was here. Going through there. Excuse me. Okay. And I'm here. Yes guys, I'm back. That is our building. Maybe the police is there. Simple lang ko guys. The police is there. Ano natin. This is our house guys. We have 6 cars today. That guy.